Say hi to Papa.
Hi, Papa.
All right, show him your skills.
I got skills.
You got skills. Let's go. Those are gopher holes?
Yeah, Dad.
Yeah, I see those.
Taffy was tight to dig over.
Was she?
Yeah, and
Okay.
And so big, walk with white stripes.
Okay, show Papa your skills.
Hi, Papa.
Can you show him how you can turn it around and go in reverse? Okay, go forward. That's still backwards.
Hi, Papa. What are you doing with Papa?
I'm taking a little video so Papa can see how good you are at driving your tractor. Let's show him how good you are. Are you getting out now?
Yeah, I want to show you the battery.
I don't want to see the battery. I want to see you drive.
You see, this hood open.
Okay.
See, it open. I don't see the motor. I want to see the motor. Is the motor under here?
Yeah, motor. Well, probably motor's underneath the bed in the back.
Oh, but
Come on, let's show Papa how you can drive it.
But the engine is in here.
Yeah. Let's show him your skills.
You got scales.
You got skills. Let's go. I'm watching you. Don't hit Grandpa. Hi. How about go over by your tire swing?
She's never used.
Doesn't know how to use it yet. Yeah.
Kind of like having a pair just because it looks good.
Drive around it. Let's show how good you are at navigating. Oh, very good. What are you doing?
Papa here.
Are you done?
I'm Papa here. I want to say hi to Papa now.
Okay, say hi to Papa.
Hi, Papa. I want to show him how I ride my tire swing.
You want to show him how you can ride your tire swing?
Yeah.
Okay. You want Grandpa to help you get on the tire swing?
How to get on this tire swing? How? He's grabbing me. Ah! He gave me a lip. I'm going to get cool and spray me like that.
Well, have Grandpa help you get on the tire swing. You gotta put your legs through it.
Grab hold of the rope up there. And then you just step your leg in like that.
Like this?
Yeah, like that.
He's gotta
Give
put
me
it
the
through
other hand.
the other side, doesn't he?
Okay. Put your leg all the way through. Hey, Hank, I got you up here. Let's see your leg. We're gonna put you sitting right down here.
Yeah.
Okay, so put the foot right there. And the foot right. Lost your shoe. Okay.
You want to put your other foot through?
Put your other foot through that. Let's try this first. I got you. Like that. Okay. Hang on. Put your hands up here.
He kind of put his butt inside the tire.
Sure.
Yeah, just like that.
Sure.
Hang on, buddy. Hudson?
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Mm-hmm.
Hang on to the rope
Yay!
right there. There you go.
Look at you. You're swinging. Is that fun?
Mhm.
Hey, boo. You all done?
Let's go. Stop.
You're stuck.
You went out?
Okay, I'm going on the dirt pile.
Okay. We gotta put your shoe on.
Okay, so
You can't go in the dirt without your shoe.
yeah, because there's splinters on there.
That's just the rules.
Yeah, there's splinters on that pile.
There's splinters, yep.
There's kind of bad splinters.
Bad splinters.
And there's so good walnuts on trees.
Okay.
Okay. You want to take Tracky over to the dirt? Okay.
Yeah, the truck has to go over bone melted. Yeah, has to.
Okay. Let's go. Show Papa your skills. Good job. Good job. Did it stop?
Not positive action, only one wheel spin.
Yeah.
I don't know if they make them, but I'm gonna see if I can find some rubber tires.
I was going to say, I wonder if there's any aftermarket things you can put on there.
Yeah, I'm gonna look, take one of them off. And it's all plastic, the rim's plastic, so. But if I can find something in just it's a simple axle. If I can find something that'll slide over like a golf cart
Yeah.
or something. Or
Yeah.
Because the motor's got plenty of power. Just doesn't, there's no traction.
Which was something big and beefy like that. I'm surprised they didn't put rubber stuff on there. You watching Taffy? And she doesn't stay in the back if you put her in the back of it, huh?
Or on the seat.
Or in the seat. Thought about bringing Paco up because he'd probably stay.
Because there's movement.
Yeah. Are you all done, buddy, with riding Tracky? You want to play? Gophers, that's his new thing.